Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix error 0x800701E3, then let us look at the following steps. So basically this error happens when you're transferring data from an external drive to your computer. So how do we check for any bad data or corrupt sectors in the external hard drive? So we use the command prompt. Make sure the external hard drive is plugged in and then open command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we will type the command chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter. Now this will check the external hard disk for any bad sectors and should correct the problem. Now if that doesn't work, then we can run an SFC scan. So how do we do that? We again open command prompt, as run as administrator, yes, and we type the command sfc space /scan NOW and press enter, and this should solve your problem. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel and enjoy the day.